How to paint a product in CabiAI. Every part in its own finish, straight from the leading board manufacturers. Here is a product we already built in the studio. Let's switch to the 3D view, and from there, open it to full screen. Much easier to work that way. In the top toolbar, we click Materials, and the Material Selection panel opens. The rule here is simple. First, pick which group of parts to paint: shell, doors, fronts, shelves, back, or the whole cabinet, and only then click a shade. It applies instantly, with no saving and no confirmation. This row holds the libraries of the leading manufacturers. We'll pick Birman, and we get only its finishes. And if you already have a code from the maker, just type it into the search and jump straight to it. Below the search, there are filters by type. We'll click wood, and the list narrows down to timber textures only. Marble, stone, and the solid colors all drop away. Now we choose what to paint. Click the body group, and then click a shade, and it lands on all 32 parts at once. Exactly the same for any other group. Let's move to back only, the rear panels alone, 8 parts. This time we will type the code 3199 straight into the search field and click the shade. The rear turns dark timber and nothing else moves. Grain direction has a button of its own. Click horizontal and every timber texture rotates. 45 parts update at once. Click again and it returns to vertical. And if the exact tone is not in any library, there is a custom color. Open the color picker, dial in precisely the tone you want, or paste a color code, and hit apply. And of course, you can hop between libraries with a click. We'll move to Eager, and we get 407 more finishes: timber, marble, stone, and colors. 1,022 in total. Now that every part has its own finish, and this is exactly what goes to production, we'll close the panel, and the product is ready. That is how you paint a product in CabiAI. See you in the next guide.